Anong sagot dyan? Pag-usapan natin yan sa video na to. Sabi dito, Arthur runs a lap around the track every 6 minutes. Billy does it every 8 minutes. If they start at the same time, after how many minutes will they be both at the starting point? So, ano ibig sabihin nito? Meron silang kanya-kanyang oras kung kailan nakakaikot sila doon sa track. And ang goal mo is for both of them to be at the starting point. Now, of course, there are many ways to solve it, pero kung na-recognize ninyo na ang hinahanap dito is their least common multiple, madali na ang buhay. So, ang hinahanap natin is the greatest common multiple of the numbers 6 and 8. Kasi yun yung dami ng oras na iniikot nilang pareho. For that, you have a number of options. You can list them, you can use the ladder method, or you can use a factor tree. Subukan muna natin yung ladder method. You have 6 and 8, and then you're going to think of their common factor. Pareho silang even, so pwede sa 2. Divide natin yung 6 sa 2, that would be 3. 8 sa 2, that would be 4. At this point, wala na tayong magagawa dyan dahil wala na silang shared or common factor maliban sa 1. So, ibig sabihin nun, imumultiply lang natin yung L for least common multiple. So, we're going to multiply 2 times 3, which is 6, times 4, which is going to give us 24. So, ibig sabihin nun, in 24 minutes, both of them will be at the starting line. If you use the listing method, it will be the same. You have 6 and 8, 6, 12, 18, 24, 8, 16, 24, and that right there is the first match. Kung factor 3 naman, you have 6 and 8. This is going to be 2 times 3. This is going to be 2 times 4. This will be 2 times 2. We're going to pair itong pareho na sila into 1. So that would be 2. Itong unique sa isa, which is 3. And then, itong 2 and 2 na ito, or pwede na lang natin sabihin na 4, dito sa isa. So 2 times 3 times 4 is still 24. So again, whether you used the ladder method, the listing method, or the factor tree, the answer would be the same. They will both be at the starting point after 24 minutes. Alright, kung nabitin kayo dyan, I have a full video lesson on YouTube, and it's your turn. Anong sagot dyan? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to follow me for more.